Whoa, hope everybody's doing good today. It's a nice sunny day. We do have some thunderstorms rolling overhead right at the moment, but it's actually sunny out. They're just little patchy storms. So if you hear a little, what sounds like an explosion or something, it's just some thunder. Anyway, today I wanted to go over this right here. This is my fire starting kit. The pouch is nothing special. It just came with my bug out bag. So let me get this camera readjusted. I want to bring it so it's down overhead so you can see things as I take them out of the pouch and explain them to you. So we'll get into that in just a minute. Alright, well, here it is, and let's see what we got inside here. Now I'm doing this kind of upside down, or the camera actually is backwards. Now, a lot of the things that I have in here, I will list in the description below, along with links where you can pick them up on Amazon. Now, I wanted to say that fire is very critical. Myself, I have bad blood circulation, so I get cold very easy, so I must have fire or some form of warmth. And fire is one of the things that separates us from animals. So anyway, let's get into it. Okay, and everything I got, I usually try to keep in some kind of plastic bags. I save these from all the products that I buy, different things that I buy. Anyway, this is just some Fatwood sticks. Just a box of regular matches. Okay, this is the UCO Stormproof matches. And these things will burn in just about any circumstances. So more than likely you're going to get a fire going one way or another. I have so many different ways to start fire. Like I said, I have bad blood circulation and I get cold very easy. And in here, I just have a cigarette lighter. And as many of you know, I'm a smoker, so I always have a lighter with me. And then these are just waterproof matches that I sealed up inside of a plastic straw with a striker in there. And then cotton balls in Vaseline. What I did was I just took the cotton balls, and if you play with them a little bit, you can kind of like unroll them. And then what I did was put a little glob of Vaseline in there and then rolled the cotton balls back up. Okay, and that's it inside the pouch. Like I said, I try to keep everything in plastic bags to protect them. So, just a little pocket knife. Good for shaving off some wood or making a feather stick. Magnesium block. Now you want to make sure when you buy a magnesium block to try to get a good one. Doan or Doan's, I can't remember what it's manufactured by. Doan. They're supposed to be one of the best. So, and then I got this striker from another rod somewhere, I don't remember where, but okay, and this is a pipe bellows. Now myself, I'm getting a little old and it's a little hard to get up and down, so I don't want to have to get down on my knees to blow on a fire to get it going or keep it going. So I picked up what they call a pipe bellows. then a couple of tea light candles, another lighter. Plus I always have a lighter on me. See, I want to be prepared. I don't want to go out and have to do bushcrafting, okay? In an emergency, I want to be able to light a fire now, okay? It's fun to go out and try to do a bow drill and some of these other methods, but in an emergency, I want to get a fire going now. Okay, another ferrocerium rod. A pencil sharpener, and oops, I just ripped that baggie. Anyway, it's a pencil sharpener. It's the kind that has two openings, a small one and a big one, and this is a metal pencil sharpener, so it'll be nice and sturdy, and it's not going to crack or break on you. This is a permanent match, is what we used to call them. They have several names. Now, if you look for these, don't be fooled. Some people are selling them for as high as I've seen $3 and $4. If you look around, you can pick these up for like $5 for, oh, I think I got like 6 of them for $5 one time or something like that. But you just pour lighter fluid in it, and of course once the lighter fluid wears out, it's gone unless you have more lighter fluid to replace it. Okay, and then the last bag is, I can't remember what they call this, but I call it a cheese grater. And what you do with this is you take this off. You can see I've got it full of tender, whew, that's awful strong smelling. That is fatwood that I've already ran through this. It's like a cheese grater for wood, so you can make your own kindling. And like I said, I've already done up some fatwood to keep in there, so when I need to start a fire, I've already got it made up and ready to go. And then just another ferrocerium rod, because it came with this. So anyway, that's what I carry in my fire kit. Let me know down below if I've forgotten something, or if I striked an interest in you in something I did or have that you don't. Put it down in the comments. Like I said, in the video description, I will list multiple links where you could pick these up. I'm not an Amazon affiliate. I don't make anything off of this. This is just something I want to do for you so you can find the items quickly. Hopefully in the future I will become an Amazon affiliate. That way I can make a little bit of money demonstrating this stuff to put back into the channel, so I can get more items to demonstrate and show to you. Please give us a thumbs up if you it's hard to do that with a camera facing down like this. Anyway, give us a thumbs up if you liked it. Give us a thumbs down if you didn't. Please share us on your social media. Like, subscribe. And until next time, keep preparing.